Hello everyone, so if you wanna update the software on your Realme C67, well, first of all we are to open up our settings. Now we're gonna to scroll down right to our bottom and we are to find About Phone tab. Open it up. Here we have to locate our Realme UI Android 14 tab and we gotta press View Updates. Before you gonna do that, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or your mobile data is enabled because updates require an internet connection to the load. So now press View Updates. As you see, we've got some updates, which is cool. All you have to do is simply to press Download Now. Give your phone a couple minutes to download that. It depends on the size of your update. Here you can find recommendations and all the details of the update. When your update is downloaded, you are simply to press Install Now and give your phone a couple minutes to do that. Your phone will automatically restart once the installation is finished. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.